Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create an AI video like this. And before we start, I will show you which tool I use. This tool is called Magnifique, and I will share the link in the description below. Alright, so before we start, you can build everything within Magnifique. But if you don't have enough credits in your account and want to use some of your others, I would recommend to use tools like ChatGPT or Google's Gemini to generate AI images as references we're gonna use in making this World Cup AI video. So what are we seeing here? Well, this is called flows, and flows is a way to generate multiple clips with references and tie them all together. So for this video, the idea was to start with the World Cup final 2026. We all know that Argentina and Spain will play against each other in this World Cup match. So what did I do? Well, first of all, I made some reference images with ChatGPT. So the ChatGPT image model was used to generate this picture of this MetLife Stadium. I took one picture of Google and used it to generate this one. And I added some red arrows to show where the drone has to fly. Secondly, I made a second shot from within the stadium. And lastly, I made a picture of myself. The reference was my own image, and said, okay, I'm sitting within the crowd wearing a separate shirt because I don't want to choose sides in this video. So from here on, we start building up the video. And what I started first was to make a realistic drone footage. So I added the video generation. You can right click on a place in this screen and you can select the video generator. You can add the model you're using, but you can also add auto so that the model will decide which model to use. And you will always see how many credits it uses. I would always recommend having a paid account. In this time in AI, you just need some credits to generate stuff. If you already have generated images and videos, you can also add these in this workflow. So after that, I generated the second clip, and what I did was I used the last screen as a screenshot from the past video to have it as a starting frame. So this is a starting frame, and my end frame is of course the picture of myself, because now we want a shot where the camera is moving from a total shot into a close-up of my own face. So this is the second generated video. After that, I used my own picture to generate me talking to you guys that you have to comment for a clip. You can add it in your prompt itself just by adding the text you want to say, and it works like a charm. Don't forget to put sound on in this one. Another way to do this is to create your own voiceover. This is an error, but it worked, where I speak Dutch in this case. So I made a version, an English version and a Dutch version, and I cloned my voice in 11 labs, sounding.
Wil je leren hoe je dit soort video's maakt? Reageer dan.
Well, you probably don't speak Dutch, but that's the Dutch version, and I regenerated a video of me speaking Dutch. So that's for my Dutch audience. So now I have two separate videos. I made generated videos in 16.9 and in portrait mode in 9.16, so I can use it both on Instagram, TikTok, and for the 16.9 I use it in LinkedIn. So from here on you can generate more and more videos just by all the references tying it together. So now for the final part, how to get this together. Well, I just use CapCut to put all separate clips together. I download all the separate files, all the separate videos, and just tie them up together. So in this way, you can build a visual presentation of your whole workflow. And for me, a great way to see what's happening and to make videos like this. I would say just start out, play around, see what happens. And the most important part is to have good references. So not only to prompt really well, that's important, of course, but using images as a reference and even videos to show the tools what you want to generate and how it would look like. So I hope this will help you. I would say just start playing around. And if you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll probably see you in the next one. Bye.